Hello there, you're welcome to Mike Earn. Welcome to this week Forex market forecast, and in this video we'll be looking at the Euro USD, GBPUSD, USDCHF, and the USDJPY currency pairs. So let's get started right away. Before we get into the business of the day, let me introduce you to some of my products. This is the Forex account management service that I offer. And also this is the premium Forex signal service that I offer as well. So for the account management service, you earn as much as 15 to 20% monthly. If you let me handle your trading accounts, let me handle your Forex trading accounts and manage your Forex trading accounts, you can get as much as 15 to 20% profit and even much more monthly, right? We also have a referral bonus of 15% commission from our cut of the profit made. So there will be a profit sharing ratio. You make as much as 15 to 20% profits monthly, and we get our cut, and you also get your cut, and your trading account will keep increasing progressively like that, right? So if you are interested in this Forex management service that I offer, Forex account management service, and if you're interested in this Forex account management service that I offer, my contact is in the description below. It is my direct Telegram contact. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and chat me up, and let's talk about how you can come on board and how you can be part of what we do, right? So it is really going to help your trading and help you take your profits to the highest possible level. So you earn as much as 15 to 20% profits and even much more monthly, and you get a commission of 15% for everybody that you get on board. So the next product, the premium Forex signal service, which goes for $200 monthly. Now, I have realized that a lot of people have been trading for many years and still don't know what to do. They still don't know how to sustainably make profits, and it is crazy, and I know how terrible that can be when you have been in the market for so long and you still don't get it. But the Forex market is quite different from many other kind of businesses out there. The Forex market needs a lot of patience, needs a lot of understanding to make profits. So while you're still in the process of learning all that, or maybe you're no longer interested in all that, you can get, or even if you are already a profitable trader yourself, you can make much more profit with the premium Forex signal service that I offer. This goes for $200 monthly, and it is highly profitable, right? For $200 monthly. Yes, I know the price looks different from what a lot of you see out there, but one thing you need to know is this: I promise you, it is much more value than the $200 that you are paying for it, right? It is much more value than you get much more value than the $200 you're paying for it. So this the signals I provide on this platform, on the signal service, are from tested and trusted trading systems. Trading systems that have been tested and trusted over the years are what I use to derive these signals. And I myself, I'm in this market to make money. I'm making money trading. I also know that selling signals would also make me some money. So I'm doing that. Since I'm making money trading, I'm going to also make money selling signals. I'm also going to make money, managing Forex accounts as well, right? So you can also be part of what I do. And I only give, on this signal service, I only post trades that I take myself, right? So I'm not one of those, I don't know if signal service providers do that, but I do not give signals that I don't take myself, right? I only give signals that I take myself because I know how profitable they can be, and I also don't want to miss out on that. So that's one thing you can take to the bank. This is really, you make a lot of money. You take your trading profits to the highest possible level following this signal service. Now also you can use the same contact, my direct Telegram contact in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, chat me up, and let's talk about how you can start working with me, how you can start getting the signals and also making a lot of money. So that is that for the products I have for you: the Forex account management service, which you get as much as 15 to 20% profits monthly, and also the premium Forex signal service, which you get for $200 monthly. We are here to serve you. I am here to serve you. So let's get back to the business of the day. Now for Euro USD, we can tell from the monthly time frame that it's quite indecisive and has been in a range for some time, as you can see here. Now down to the weekly, same story, but it is headed towards the resistance of the range, right? We can call that the resistance of the range. So let's go down to the daily. Using the daily time frame as our execution time frame, what should we expect for this new week? Well, what should we expect is quite simple. If we see price go into the range resistance, that's the 1.12736 zone, and price gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I suggest that you go for a sell, right? Go for a sell, go for a 1-to-1, and that will be fine. If price goes there and comes in contact with that zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, if price goes into that zone and closes below, gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I suggest that you sell and go for a 1-to-1 right there if it meets your confirmation. That's very important to take note of. Only if it meets your confirmation. But if we have price push low and price comes into this 1.10290 zone, and price gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I would suggest that you go for a 1-to-1 as well if it meets your confirmation, right? If price comes into this zone and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, right, go for a buy and go for a 1-to-1 if it meets your confirmation. Right, don't go beyond the one. I don't advise that you go beyond 1-to-1 in that scenario. Now for GBPUSD currency pair, what does this tell us now? Let's see. Monthly time frame. We see prices trying to push higher. Weekly, same idea. Looks like price is trying to push higher, trying to make higher highs. And the daily, what do we expect? Well, we can see that there's a zone right here at the 1.34216 area, right? So using the daily time frame as the execution time frame in this analysis, what should we expect? And I'll suggest that if you see price come into the 1.34216 zone and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I would suggest that you go for a sell. Go for a 1-to-1 sell right there, right? Go for a 1-to-1 sell, because we've seen the market progressively make higher highs, and we just have to be careful selling in such a situation. So we can see this. We can also see this, and we can see the market also continue to make higher highs, lower lows, or higher highs and higher lows rather. So if we're going to sell, I would suggest that you don't. If we're going to be selling, I'll suggest that you don't go beyond a 1-to-1 right there. So now for a buy scenario, let's look at a buy scenario. If we see price come down into either of the 1.31746 or the 1.31374 zones, and it gives us a bullish day close at either of those zones, I'll suggest that you go for a buy at either of those zones. Only take these scenarios if they meet your confirmation, right? Don't forget that. So go for a buy in either of these scenarios. You can go for a 1-to-1, or if you would like to hold, you can hold till price comes into the 1.32767 zone. But I'll suggest that your first target should be a 1-to-1 at either of the zones, wherever we get that bullish day close. At either of those zones, let your target be a 1-to-1 first before you can hold it to the next zone or even higher, right? You might be lucky to catch the next leg of the trend. So let's go to the USDCHF currency pair. This is the monthly. USDCHF is in a range, weekly time frame. Same idea. Now let's go down to the daily. We can see that with the daily, we've seen price ranging in that area. We can see price ranging. Let me point that out. We can see price ranging in that zone. Yeah, somewhere. Yeah, something like that. You can see price ranging in that zone. So what should we expect? Well, I expect that price might break out to the lower side, and there's also a possibility it pushes higher. But either way, whichever way it goes, it's a good one. And so what should we expect? If we see price come into this 0.85515 zone, and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I suggest that you go for a 1-to-1. If it meets, go for a 1-to-1 sell trade right there if it meets your confirmation, right? But if we see price come into the, the range support, and it gives us a bullish day close above that zone. If price gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I suggest that you go for a buy, right? Go for a 1-to-1 buy right there. In either case, I suggest a 1-to-1, right? Just to be on the safe side. And don't forget, you should only take either of these scenarios if they meet your confirmation. That's very important to take note of. Now let's go to the USDJPY currency pair. USDJPY. Now what's USDJPY telling us? Let's go to the monthly time frame first and see what's happening. USDJPY has been bearish, definitely, but I think in recent times we've seen some I think we saw a bullish move last week. I don't think the chart is loaded yet on the monthly time frame. But we have to move on. So let's go down to the weekly and see if that has loaded. Yeah, we see the weekly has loaded. You can see that bullish move. So there was a bullish move just last week, right? So let's go down to the daily. Yeah, you can see that. So what should we expect? Well, don't forget, this is a very bullish move. The market has been really bullish for so many years right now, as you can tell. The market has been really bullish. You can see that. So where is it headed next? Well, what we can predict is this: if we see price come into this 144.818 zone and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I suggest that you can go for a 1-to-1 sell right there. You can go for a 1-to-1 sell. But if we see price come back, probably back into this if we see price push back into this 140.893 zone, and it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I suggest that you go for a 1-to-1 as well. Go for a 1-to-1 buy as well. That's very important. You can go for a 1-to-1 buy, and you can hold till you get to the next zone of the 144.818, or even hold and see if you are going to catch the next leg of the trend. right? In either of those cases, you're good to go. And I suggest that if there's a buy scenario like this one, I suggest that you know take profit at take your first profit at a 1-to-1 before holding to see the rest of the move. That is what I would suggest. So that is that for USD JPY. Thanks for watching today's video. Before we go, I'd like to tell you about the products that I offer: the Forex account management service and the Forex premium Forex signal service as well. Now, for the account management service, you get as much as 15 to 20% profit monthly if you let me trade your account. If you let me manage your account, you get as much as 15 to 20% profit monthly and even much more. And also, if you get anyone on board to do business with us, you get a 15% commission from my part of the profit. You get a 15% commission. Now, the trades I take on the Forex account management service are highly profitable trades and high probability trades only. That's the way I trade. That's the way I've been trading. High probability and high profits only, right? So this is what I do, and this is how you make a lot of money. There's a profit sharing ratio. When you come into my DM, we talk about that. My direct Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and let's chat about how you can be part of this service that I offer, right? How you can be part of this service, how you can also benefit from this service that I offer. Come into my DM. My Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, use the link, and let's talk about how you can be part of what I offer, right? Now to the Forex signal service. Now with the premium Forex signal service, which goes for $200 monthly, you get highly profitable trading signals that will take your trading to the highest possible level with profit making. I know $200 looks really different from what you have out there, but this is the promise. You get a lot more value with the $200 monthly service that I offer. You know, you get a whole lot more value than the $200 that you pay for it. So the premium Forex signal service is here to help you. I'm aware that many people out there have been trading for years and they've not been able to sustainably make profits. But with this premium Forex signal service, you get to make a lot of profit with the signals that I offer, right? I only give signals that I take myself, so profits, a whole lot of profits are guaranteed, right? So come into my DM. My direct Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, use the link, and let's chat about how you can be part of what I do, how you can benefit from this service that I offer. Yeah, so that's it. The Forex account management service and the Forex the premium Forex signal service. Forex account management service, which promises as much as 15 to 20% profit monthly. Yeah, so sometimes it might be lower than, sometimes it might be lower than that, sometimes it might be definitely much more than that for the Forex account management service, and you get your profits consistently. And for the premium Forex signal service, you get highly profitable trading signals that are derived from highly profitable trading systems that have been tested and trusted over the years. So thanks for watching today's video. Bye for now.